Hey there, junior detectives. Let's jump right into this explainer, because today we're going to learn exactly how to decode massive, tricky words using hidden clues. You know when you look at a giant word in a book and just think, no way, I have absolutely zero idea what that means? Well, today you're getting a secret magnifying glass that makes reading those gigantic words super easy and honestly, a lot of fun. Here is our detective's mission map for today. We'll cover 1. What is a prefix? 2. Auto, astro, and bio. 3. Tele and try. 4. The cosmic exception. 5. The memory story trick. And finally, number 6, a quick quiz and challenge. All right, section 1. What is a prefix? So I want you to really think about this for a second. Have you ever wondered how you can figure out what a really long word means before you even finish reading the whole thing? Sounds kind of like magic, right? But it's actually just a really neat trick hiding right at the front of the word. Okay, so a prefix is basically just a small group of letters added to the beginning of a word, and it acts like a secret clue. Think about the word prefix itself. Pre means before, so a prefix is fixed to the front of a word, right before the rest of the letters. It literally gives you a hint about the word before you even know the whole thing. Let's break this down step by step. Take the prefix tele, which just means far away. Now add it to the word phone. Put them together and we build telephone. So without even looking at a dictionary, our secret clue tells us that a telephone is a clever little device that lets you talk to someone far away. Pretty awesome, right? Moving right along to section 2, auto, astro, and bio. Our very first big clue is auto. Whenever you spot auto at the front of a word, it means doing something by yourself, or self. And for our bilingual detectives tuning in, the secret Hindi code for this is khud or apne aap. Let's look at some everyday examples. Think of the word autograph. Graph means writing, and auto means self. So an autograph is your very own writing, like when you sign your name. Or what about an airplane on autopilot? That means the machine is literally controlling itself. Same goes for an automatic car. It shifts its own gears all by itself. Next up is astro. This one takes our investigation all the way up into space and the stars. The Hindi code for this cosmic clue is antariksh or tare. Basically, anytime you see astro hiding at the front of a word, you better grab your spacesuit because we are heading into orbit. So if you spot astro, it's a guaranteed clue for space. An astronaut is a brave person traveling in space. Astronomy is the amazing study of all those stars and planets. And an asteroid? Well, that's a huge space rock zooming around our solar system. Seriously, how cool would it be to be an astronaut? All right, let's come back down to Earth. Our third clue is bio. Now, bio is always connected to living things and life. Plants, animals, bugs, us humans. If it's alive, it has to do with bio. And our Hindi secret code for this one is Jeevan. Let's see it in action. Bio shows up in biology, which is the study of life. It's in biography, which is a book telling the story of someone's life. And it's even in a really huge tricky word, biodegradable. Let's sound that out. Biodegradable. That just means something that can break down naturally in the dirt by living organisms, like throwing an apple core in the garden. See? Even massive words are a piece of cake when you know the prefix clue. Okay, section 3, tele and try. We actually saw this one a little bit earlier, but tele is our special clue for things happening from far away or at a distance. The Hindi code for this one is door. So just remember, a telephone lets you talk from far away. A television, which you might actually be watching right now, lets you see moving pictures from far away. And a telescope lets you look all the way up at those faraway astrostars in the night sky. Our next building block clue is super simple but incredibly useful. Try. Literally just means the number 3. Our Hindi secret code is teen, so whenever you see TRI, just count 1, 2, 3. Let's test this out with everyday stuff. Have you ever drawn a triangle? Yep, exactly 3 sides. Have you ever ridden a tricycle? That's a little bike with 3 wheels. Or maybe you've met 3 babies all born together in the same family. Those are called triplets. Now for section 4, the cosmic exception. Okay, detectives, listen closely because we need to clear up a very common mistake. It is absolutely crucial to understand the difference between a prefix and a root word. Unlike a prefix that has to attach to the front of another word, like tello attaching to phone, the word cosmic stands all by itself. It's a root word or an adjective used to describe something related to the universe, which is Brahmand in Hindi. So you might read about cosmic dust, cosmic rays, or a cosmic journey. It doesn't attach to the front of anything. It just stands on its own. Don't let it trick you. Moving right along to Section 5, the memory story trick. All right, let's look at all our prefixes organized together so you can lock these clues in forever. Here we have our prefix, what it means, our bilingual secret Hindi codes, and an easy memory word for each. We've got auto for self, astro for space, bio for life, tele for far away, tri for three, and our exception, cosmic, for universe. But let's be real, memorizing a list can be kind of boring. So here is a super easy, really fun story trick to glue this to your brain. Just picture this. An astronaut used a telescope to look at the cosmic universe. He wrote an autobiography about his life after spending 3 months in space. Do you see how every single clue is hidden inside that one short story? If you can just remember this one astronaut story, you'll remember all the prefixes for good. And finally, Section 6, quick quiz and challenge. Let's do a rapid-fire recap. Read these out loud with me and shout out the meaning if you know it. Tricycle. Yep, a 3-wheeled cycle. Biography. You got it, a life story. Telephone. A device to talk far away. Astronaut. Someone who travels in space. And automatic. A machine working by itself. You absolutely nailed it. You are officially prefix detectives. So here's your final challenge. Grab a book, look around your classroom or your home, and see how many secret prefix clues you can spot in the real world today. And think about this. If you could invent a brand new prefix, what letters would you use, and what secret superpower would it give to the words you speak?